YouTube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr provides a step-by-step guide to help individuals understand the intricacies of YouTube, including its algorithms and monetization strategies. The course includes the following. Successful Channel Monetization. The course provides individuals with practical tips and techniques to monetize their YouTube channel effectively, helping them generate a steady income from their videos. Increased Views and Subscribers. Matt Parr's techniques help individuals attract more views and subscribers, which can lead to increased exposure, engagement, and ultimately, profits. Better Video Optimization. The course provides individuals with practical tips and techniques to optimize their videos, including the use of keywords, descriptions, and titles, to increase visibility and engagement. Networking Opportunities. Individuals will have the opportunity to connect with other like-minded individuals, making it easier to collaborate and network with others in the YouTube community. Proven Strategies. Matt Parr's course is based on years of experience and successful strategies, providing individuals with a solid foundation to grow their channel and maximize profits. Personalized Support. Individuals will have access to ongoing support from Matt Parr, including email support and online community forums, to help them overcome any challenges they may face. Affordable Investment. The course is an affordable investment, especially compared to other courses that focus on YouTube monetization, making it accessible to individuals of all budgets. Get the course today. Course in description. Thanks for watching.